Guys, I have a very delicate and special job. I work with newborn babies. So there's no way I could be running around in the street with COVID around because these babies are precious and very delicate. And I love my job. So, what did I do during quarantine? You'll see my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Fergie loves you. Bye bye.
Swaddle 101.
Swaddle 101. So, this is baby Carter with his nurse. Say hi. Hi. And his nurse, Fergie. Hi.
Nana.
And Nana's over there.
Jamie.
Auntie Jamie's over there. And Mama. We're all doing a swaddle lesson. Okay. Down.
Hold one arm down.
I do both.
Oh, I see what you roll him.
On the side because he's so strong. You have to roll him over. Hold.
Right?
Yes. Then we go up
Oh.
over the shoulder. Down for the pocket. And up and around for the band. With so much material,
Right.
you can close it here or
Keep going around.
you can take it around, but close it smoothly in the back.
The
Now we got the
you do it-
perfect swaddle.
But wait, I'm going to do it in the front so you can see what it looks like. And there's your Jamaican burrito. Me just getting off work, heading home. Oh, I hope the traffic is not too bad. Oh well. Ciao, ciao, ciao. I'm gonna work. Big up our nurse and doctor. Big up our nurse and doctor.